Good morning, children. We are discussing that exponents and powers. Already we discussed two parts. This is the third part. See some more example. We discussed some laws. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. Basing on that laws, we are doing some problems now. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. That is 4.1. Exercise 4.1. In that, first one see 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. This is in which law? Basing C. A power m into a power n into a power n o, like that you take. See according to this formula, a power m into a power n will get a power m plus n. So according to that, 1 power 2 whole power a is same here. That's why we have to add the powers. 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 1 by 2, 10 plus 5, 15. This is the answer. How to simplify. That means you have to see this one in which law we can keep here. Which law we can install and we can write and find the answer. Next, second one see. Four power 4 into 5 by 4 whole power 4. See here, this one we can't change it. If you see this one, 5 by 4 whole power 4. This is in which formula? A by B whole power 4. See, this is in A by B. A is different, B is different. You have to think it that A by B whole power m is equal to A power m, B power m. This one we have to write here. 4 power 4 into A power m by B power m. Now 4 power 4, 4 power 4 gets cancelled. Answer is 5 power 4 is the answer. Next, third one. 5 power minus 4 by 5 power minus 6 whole power into 5 cube. See this one, if you know the that class perfectly, then only you can do these problems. First, before seeing this video, you have to learn all those laws. A power m into a power m is equal to a power m plus n. You have to learn that all nicely. Then only you will understand this one betterly. See here, 5 a power m. This is in formula a power m by a power n, that is equal to a power m minus n. So a power m, a power n, a power m minus, here minus 6, bring that minus 6 here, into 5 cube. So now minus 4, minus into minus plus, 5 power minus 4 plus 6 into, write this one as it is, 5 cube. Now this one, 5 power minus plus different signs. So subtraction, 6 minus 4, 2. 5 square, before big number plus symbol is there, put plus 2 into 5 cube. Now this is in which formula? Again you have to see the formulas. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So 5 power 2, a power m into a power n. So 5 a power m plus n, 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 power 5. Understood? Next one. Minus 3 whole power 4 into 7 power 4. See this one? Here powers are same. Powers are same means immediately how to get that formula. What is that one? A power m into b power m. Powers are same, but here this bases are different. So ab whole power m. You have to use this formula. See, minus 3 into 7. Minus 3 into 7 whole power 4. Minus 3 into 7, how much ma? 7 3s are 21. Minus into plus, minus only. Whole power 4. This is the answer. Next. Next one. Next one. 2 square into 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. See here, if you write this one, we can write this one as like this, no? 2 square by, you write this one here, 2 power minus 2 into 3 square into 3 power minus 1. Because here intos are there. So you can write this denominator under this also. We can write. If it is plus means we should not write. Okay. Now see this one. See this one. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. By using this formula, how to write this one? 2 power 2 minus of, already minus is there, again minus 2 into 3 square into 3 power minus 1. So, how to write this one? See here, 2 minus into minus plus, 2 power 2 plus 2. As it is, you write the remaining, 3 square into 3 power minus 1. See here, 2 power 2 plus 2, 4. 2 power 4 into. See here, what is the form? Again here, one more law is there. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. A power m plus n. So, according to this formula, 3 power 2 plus of minus 1. So, 2 power 4 into 3 power 2 minus 1, 1 only. So, 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. That is the final answer. See, you have to observe that is in which formula. Which formula? This is in which formula? This one. If you see this one, you have to immediately strike this formula. That means you have to learn nicely. If you learn the formulas, I mean laws, you can easily catch these problems. Okay. Next one. 4 power minus 1, 3 power minus 1 divided by 6. See, 6 power minus 1. See, this one, a power m into b power m. This is in which formula? Only see this one. A power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. So, 4 3s are 12. 12 power minus 1. Divided by means we can write like this, no? 6 power minus 1. See, this one is in which formula? A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Reverse also we can write. If 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power m, we can write like this now. By using this, we can change this one. Numerator reciprocal. We can reciprocal this one. How? 6 power 1 by 12 power 1. So 6 by 12. 1 time means is nothing but 6 only. 6 ones, 6 twos are 12. So 1 by 2 is the answer. 1 by 2 is the answer. Understood? Next one. Simplify and reason is nothing but give reason, he told. Give reason means reasoning is nothing but we are writing the loss. That is the reason itself. Next one. 4 power 0, 5 power minus 1 bracket into 5 square into 1 by 3. Now see, anything power 0, anything power 0 is equals to 1. Answer is 1 for this one. Plus for this one, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Reason for this. So for this one, 1 by 5 bracket into, write this one as it is, 5 square into 1 by 3. Next, see this one, if, see here plus is there, that means you have to take LCM. Here nothing is there, 1 you have to think. 5 into 1, 5 only LCM. Here 1 5s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So 5 plus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. See here it is 3 is in division. One numerator, one denominator we can cancel. In multiplication, one numerator, one denominator we can cancel. See, 3 ones, 3 twos. 3 ones, 3 twos. But here also we can cancel. 5 5s are 2. 2 5s are there and only 1 5. So we can write like this. 5 square, no? We can write 5 into 5 into, and this 2 is also there in the numerator place. In denominator only 1 5. 5 5 gets cancelled. 5 2s are 10 is the answer. 10 is the solution. Next. One by 2 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole power minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. See here, this one, how can you write this one? 1 by 2 whole power minus 3, 1 by 4 whole power minus 3, 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. How to write this one? A by b whole power minus 3. See, a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m. That means a power m by b power m. I am splitting this one. 1 power minus 3 by 2 power minus 3. 1 power minus 3 by 4 power minus 3. Here also, 1 power minus 3, 1 power minus 3 by 5 power minus 3. See this one, 1 power minus 3 is always 1 only. If you multiply 1,000 times also 1 only. So 1 by 2 power minus 3, 1 by 4 power minus 3, 1 by 5 power minus 3. See here, a power m, b power m. See these are all in denominators. We can write this one as like this, no? See this one. 1 by a power minus m is equal to a power m, numerator. If it comes to the numerator, it becomes plus, positive symbol. See here, 1 by 2 power minus 3 means 2 cube into 4 cube into 5 cube. So, a cube, b cube, a power m into a, b power m into c power m. M is common here. M is common. 2 4s are 8. 8 5s are 40. See this formula, a power m, b power m is equal to ab whole power m. In the same way, you multiply this bases. 40 whole power cube. That is the answer. Thank you.